Good morning, everyone. I'm Hema. I'm a digital marketer at General Technologies, and today I'm explaining about digital marketing freelancer opportunity. In these opportunities in digital marketing, email marketing, digital marketing, content strategy, marketing strategy, campaign management, social media marketing, social search engine marketing, public relations, marketing automation, lead generation, and sales. Now, what is freelancer digital marketing? In with freelance freelance digital marketing, you are basically helping companies promote their products and services online. Your job is to reach out to your silent target audience, drive them to your silent website, and convert them as paying customers. Coming to the email marketing, in this email promoting is that the acts of conversations and message generally to a bunch of individual optimization email. In its broadest sense, each email sent to a possible or current silent might be email marketing. It involves optimization email to send advertisements, request business, or solicit sales or donations. Now coming to the digital marketing, in these digital marketing is that the elements of selling that utilizes net and online primarily based digital technologies like desktop, computers, mobile phones, and alternative digital media and platforms to push products and services. Now coming to the content strategy is that the discipline accountable for satisfying business requirements through content creation and distribution. Of course, their area unit is great of individual out there writing, designing, making content. In these content strategies, our dashboards are SEO, analysis, marketing, planning, guidelines, and content management. Now, coming to the market strategy, marketing strategies refers to a business overall game plan for reaching prospective consumers and turning them into customers of the products or service the business provides. In this marketing strategy, dashboards are social marketing, offline marketing, content marketing, influence marketing, search engine marketing, search engine optimization. Campaign management. In this campaign management is the planning, execution, tracking, and analyzing of a marketing initiative, sometimes centered around a new product launch or an even matter how big or small the campaign is. It usually involves a team departments working together to accomplish a common goal. In this campaign management, social media management, affiliate marketing, and content marketing. Now coming to the social media marketing. In this social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or services. Although the terms e-marketing and digital marketing are still dominate in academia, social media marketing is becoming more popular for both practitioners and researchers. In the social media or dashboards is social media management, marketing strategy, Facebook advertising, setup advertising, graphics now coming to the SEM, search engine marketing. In this marketing, that the acts of mistreatment paid away to extend search visibility. In the past, program promoting was a term want to describe each program optimization and paid search, but now it virtual refers only to paid search marketing. In these search engine marketing dashboards are A/B testing, tracking, budgeting, campaign optimization, audit, PPC campaign setup. PPC means pay per click. In this now coming to the public relationship. In this public relationship is that the method of maintaining a good image and building helpful relationship between a company and also the public communities, groups and other people it serves. For this reason, public relation is commonly observed as free advertising. In fact, public relations isn't a free type of promotions. In this public relationship dashboards are press release, public affairs, event planning, community relation and marketing. Now coming to the marketing automation. In this automation is technology that manages marketing process and multi-function campaigns across multi-channels automatically. Marketing and sales departments use marketing automation to automate online marketing campaigns and sales activities to both increase revenue and maximize efficiency. In these marketing automatic dashboards are email marketing, messenger marketing, operations and workflow, advertising, content writing, and CRM. In next leads generation. In this leads generation, the marketing leads generation is that the initiation of shopper interest or inquiry into product or service of a business. Leads may be created for functions like list building, e-newsletter list acquisition or for sale leads. In this dashboard, they have data entry, sales development, social media, appointment setting, data clinic, email marketing. Sales. In the sales include operation and activities involved in promoting and selling goods and services. Marketing includes the process of technique of promoting sales and distributing a product or service. In this dashboard, they have leads generation, market research, sales development, sales management, telemarketing. Thank you.